Dear women of color, let's wear some color. Hi loves, it's your girl Morgan Sinclaire, and I'm back again for another video, bringing you this bomb tutorial on how to slay a BH Cosmetics palette. That's right, BH Cosmetics, and you heard me right, you did. We're going back to Brazil because I'm taking you there with this look, and we're gonna get into this video. But first, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit that notification bell button down there. That'll let you know when I post, because I know you want to know. So let's get into this video.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Alright guys, let's get started. We're going to start with Smashbox foundation. We're going to portion this out evenly and put this all over my face. Using my foundation brush, I'm going to blend that into my skin. Now we're going to work on concealer. I like to conceal my eyes a little bit before I do my eyeshadow. I found that gives me better results. So we're concealing my eyes, and then we're going to add just a little bit of contour to my nose. And then now we're going to use my beauty blender and buff it out. I love a beauty blender, guys. Like, the whole point of having a beauty blender is to make it smooth. Like, I love it. Now we're going to use the Revolution banana powder. This helps your concealer stay in place, you know, also kind of lightens up those little dark circles you might have, so that really helps a lot. Now I'm going to use my MAC powder and just buff all of that out, making sure I'm blending all over my face. So I did my eyebrows off camera for you guys, but now I'm going to take my concealer again and set my eyes to get ready for that eyeshadow. I just found that this helps the eyeshadow not to crease. So I don't want my eyeshadow crease. I don't want it to move. I want it to stay pigmented, and I want it to stay in place where I put it. And y'all forgive me because I like to make funny faces while I apply my makeup. So yeah, I don't know why I like to do that, but my mouth stay open for some odd reason. So now we're gonna use the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. I'm gonna be using purple in that whole palette. Just taking the purple and using it over my crease. And if you want to know what brush I'm using just a regular eyeshadow brush. It's kind of really round. The brushes don't matter. It's really about the technique. But yeah, I'm using just an eyeshadow brush. It's no angle to it. Just a regular eyeshadow brush. Okay, and now I'm gonna take that pink shade, apply it above the purple just to give it an ombre effect. I'm taking a flat eyeshadow brush, no angles, just a flat eyeshadow brush, and just blending that purple and that pink in so it can be like a really nice ombre. And I got the ombre that I'm looking for. Bet. Now I'm going to take the concealer again. I love this concealer. It's Maybelline and a small contour brush. And I'm going to do a method I like to call cut crease. So what I do is start at the beginning of my tear duct, work my way up, and then flashing my eyes open to show me where my crease is and where it ends. And so that's a good trick. Just open up your eyes if you're trying to try the cut crease. Open your eyes up and it'll show you where your crease is. But don't put too much concealer because sometimes the concealer runs. I'm just going to extend this concealer all the way out. I'm sorry guys, I took a dance break. Like whatever I was listening to, like while I was doing my makeup was little. It was a lot. Okay, stop. All right. Okay. Now we're gonna take this yellow. Y'all, I never get to use yellow, but yeah, this yellow applied really nicely. It kind of looked a little gold, but it looked really good. And I'm just stamping it on. I'm trying not to rub it because when I put on eyeshadow, I rub eyeshadow, but stamping these bright colors on works better than rubbing. So I'm just gonna take my eyeshadow brush that was round tip and blending that purple and that pink out towards the lid and actually adding a little bit of pink. Now I'm taking the Revolution eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna make me a small little cat eye. You feel me? And I didn't make this cat eye big. Like I wanted it to be really small. So now I'm taking this white eyeliner and I'm gonna put it on my lash line. You feel me? Because you know I want that wide eye effect for my eyes. And now I'm gonna use my Luxe eyelashes. These are honestly my favorite eyelashes I got from my sister, the Eyeliner. And so yeah, and this is my first time actually showing you the lashes that I got, guys, because you know I use drugstore lashes, but these lashes, they're bomb. Okay, and then I'm taking concealer again, just concealing what eyeshadow may have gotten underneath my eyes while I was applying it, and we're gonna blend it out again. And this is just for a contour look. Honestly, you can just skip this step if you're trying this look. Alright, just buffing it out one more time. And then I'm using the Essence Extreme Mascara. I really think this mascara makes my eyelashes really, really long. So yeah, I wanted my eyelashes, especially my bottom lashes, really long and like fake looking. So yeah, that's what I used. And I'm gonna use the Revolution blush palette and just taking like that really pink goldish color. And I was feeling it. And y'all, I got this, this highlight that I got. Liquid highlight. Manizer, best highlight I ever used, and I had to understand how to put it on, but now I got it. It's lit. And then on top of that, I like extra highlights, so I use my MAC highlight. Highlighting my nose and the contour of my nose and my lips, and yeah. And then I'm taking the lip pencil Sugar in the shade Plum, and we're just gonna line my lips. Revolution's Treason. I actually have a lip liner that matches this, but I just didn't want to use it. I wanted to make it an ombre effect. And that's it. I hope you like this video. Make sure you just like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell button to know when I post. I'm gone. Love you lots. Bye.